your online reputation. How is it? This gets a bit sticky, as most of the time we know that even when we did our best, there were people who were dissatisfied. But don't worry. We have ways to fix them and get you back on your feet, and we will show you how you can accumulate good reviews from now on. Addressing your reputation is something that works better than ever before, simply because of the environment we are in, with the fear, anxiety, and mistrust. Something that enhances paid traffic, enhances SEO, as we will explain to you over time. There are 3 aspects to this. First is fixing bad ones, and various ways to do that. The second is maintaining a norm of good reviews. The third is getting your good reviews to bring you more customers. The last is monitoring and reviewing your reviews. We will also show you how you can turn bad situations into good ones, and then the best part is how to market your good reputation, strategies to actually use your good reputation to attract customers and clients, and turn it into income. Something you may not have thought of before. You can do all of them when you know how. Some of it requires staff training, and we can help you with that. The degree of work you need to do depends on where you are, on the scale of reviews, and what you wish to accomplish first. We will give you ideas on what may give you a turnaround faster when we speak with you. We have more details on this later, and we can discuss this further when we talk. In the example shown, the person has a few reviews with low grades that require being addressed, and then we can do the marketing for the good reviews. This is a very brief review about your reputation, and when you contact us, tell us what you are interested in, and we can give you more information. If you need help, we are here, and if you'd like information on how to do this yourself, we can help you do that as well. People ask us, what can you do to help us? So connect with us to know more.